Hi guys, so it's 9:30 p.m. in the night and I'm just back home. So if in case you saw my previous story, I went for a run today, around 33 kilometers, and which was like I actually went for a run like after months or 33 minutes ka long stretch. Was something I did after a very long time, and it really feels good to be back for running. I don't know my next run kab jaunga, but yeah, this is something I wanted to share. And I'm just posting this story because I want to share a short moment that I had today, and that was really special for me, and that I think I should share. So basically, around 6 p.m. in the evening, what happened? I was just moving out of the society. Actually, went for a run. So I came to the terrace. Some people were playing here. Kids age from around मतलब 9 से 13 साल के बच्चे होंगे. So they were playing here, and I was just moving by the side. So they actually called me, and I don't know them. मैंने उनको आज तक नहीं देखा है. I don't know how they know me, like through my Instagram, or like they saw me going out through the road, coach का ड्रेस पहन के या फिर क्रिकेट कोच. So they just called me and they were like, सर you are a cricket coach, or sir you are a cricket coach, where do you teach, how do you teach, और आपका मतलब क्या सीन है, how do you travel, where do you practice, आपने क्या खेला है, आपको क्या क्या आता है क्रिकेट का. So they called me and they were like they were started asking about cricket. तो मैंने बोला कि how do you know that I am a cricket coach? No, we saw you go to the field and you come back. So how do you know that I am a cricket coach at CFL? मैंने आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि सी मैं घर से निकलता था क्रिकेट कोचिंग करने के लिए, वो देख के उन्हें लगता है. सो आई जस्ट आस्क्ड देम हाउ डू यू नो दैट आई एम ए cricket coach particularly at CFL Cricket Academy, because there are multiple cricket academies here. So they told me like sir, we saw your dress, we searched in Google, and we also asked for some of them, one of the uncle from our society, then he told that you are working at a CFL. So random boys whom I don't know, ना तो मैंने उनसे आज तक मिला है, ना मैं उनसे आज तक मिला हूँ. Neither I know their name, मुझे अभी भी याद नहीं है how their name. I asked but I forgot. But someone who is recognizing your work, man. The long story short, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि if you are posting something on Instagram, and if you're sharing your story on Instagram, and if you're doing something that you love, या फिर see what's the real dopamine that you really need in your life, कि people आप जो काम कर रहे हो आपको उस चीज़ के लिए recognition मिले. People recognize you for the work you do. That's the real dopamine, man. So yeah man, just keep doing whatever you do, and just go post that shit out in Instagram. अगर आपको जो भी post करना है, you go post your work. भाई इफ़ यू वांट टू बिल्ड ए ब्रांड फॉर योरसेल्फ, या फिर आपको अपना काम दिखाना है ना, यू नीड टू पोस्ट समथिंग. ये कभी लाइक पीपल माइट थिंक कि ये शो ऑफ कर रहा है या फिर क्या पोस्ट कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है, बट यू आर डॉक्यूमेंटिंग योर जर्नी, मैन. एंड सोशल मीडिया, इंस्टाग्राम से अच्छा, सोशल मीडिया से अच्छा, देयर इज नो बेटर वे यू कैन डॉक्यूमेंट योर जर्नी. अदरवाइज हाउ विल पीपल नो दैट, आई एम ए क्रिकेट कोच, हाउ विल पीपल नो दैट यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट, हाउ विल पीपल नो दैट यू आर ए गुड सिंगर. लोगों को पता होना पड़ेगा. एंड द ओनली वे यू कैन सेल योर सेल्फ, द ओनली वे यू कैन सेल योर वर्क इज बाय पोस्टिंग, बाय शोइंग आउट टू द वर्ल्ड. एंड you never know, you post a story on Instagram, you post a reel on Instagram, and वो reel कहाँ पहुँच जाएगा, you never know. भाई मैं बोल रहा हूँ, it's never about the views or likes or followers, because views or likes से आपका घर नहीं चलेगा. But one way or the other, you are sharing your work. If you really want to post something, no, you just go ahead and post that shit out in Instagram, bro. Just and the all, आप जो भी क्यों नहीं करते हो, you I think at this current stage, जब मैं बेंगलोर में रह के मैंने इतना सीखा है, you need to post things. आप जो भी कर रहे हो, whatever you are doing in your life, go and post. मतलब ये नहीं कि आपने ये खाया ये नहीं खाया, बट इफ़ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग रिलेटेड टू योर वर्क, आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा. इफ़ यू आर अब क्यों न जो like whatever you are doing, just go and post कि what I did today, document your journey, people will know you, and you will get more work from social media, I swear. वरना लोगों को पता नहीं चलेगा what you are doing and what you are good at. एंड अगर लोगों को पता नहीं चलेगा then why how will they hire you? See, if you post something on Instagram and if you document your journey, no, there are many chances that people will try to connect with you, and like आपको भी you don't reach out to someone for work, people will reach out to you. Okay, do you want to work for me, do you want to work with me, ऐसा हो सकता है situations, because I have faced this in cricket and in Bangalore. So every time, instead of going and searching for job from someone, how about people coming to you and offering some jobs, like you know what I mean, right? So yeah, just go post that shit, and today is one of those days. I really loved it. मज़ा आ गया, people recognizing for their work. So maybe it's not about the money always, it's getting the recognition. And ये बहुत सालों का मेहनत है guys, and we go forward always, we keep moving. So thank you, that's all for today. It was a good Monday, I had a good running session. So I'll go to my room, we'll have some dinner. Bye, cheers, take care.